Yeah. 6:30 in? Yeah. Come on, Lexi. Come on, Taylor.
Good, Lexi.
Hang in there, Sal. Let's go, BG.
Let's go, Sal. Good job, lady. Good job.
Come on, Sal. Focus. Focus. Come on. Come on, Lexi. Focus. Hang in there. Relax. Come on, Katie. Relax.
Go help Leah. You're doing great. You're doing great. It's going good.
Go, Sal. Go.
Go, Sal. Come on, Grace.
Come on, Finley. Let's go.
Come on, you guys. You help Finley out here. Don't make her do all the work. Let's go.
Come on, Lydia. Hang in there. Relax a bit. I'm going to run to the other side there, Shell. No, I got you. Okay. I'm going to go with you. Let's go, Savannah. I see her in the mall. Let's go, Savannah. Come on, Savannah. Tell her to let go of